Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, instead of making a tier list, I'm going back to my roots. Ryan, you're back. Hi, Roots.
I'm Questlove.
Back to my roots of trying new Monster flavors. We have the new Monster Reserve flavors, which are described as straight up original Monster in a new amazing flavor. Straight up. It also says it is made for athletes, musicians, anarchists, co-eds, road warriors, metalheads, geeks, hipsters, and bikers. And I am one of those things. First, I'll be trying the white pineapple flavor. In doing my research for this video, I discovered that white pineapple is a certain variety of pineapple that grows in Hawaii. It's not just a privileged fruit. So let's crack this bad boy open. That's really good. I don't have a dumb joke for this part. It tastes like Monster. Up next we have the watermelon flavor. Watermelon is a fruit. So let's crack this bad boy open. That is also really good, but the flavor is giving me flashbacks to cocktails I've had at bars, and those nights never end well, and that's not good. So that was my Monster Reserve taste test. Thanks for watching. I'm probably not going to finish either of these because I've already had a Monster today, but if this video gets 56 likes, I will drink both of these right now. 56 because that's also the same amount of grams of sugar I would be consuming. So thanks again for watching, and if you want to see more content like this, go find it.